I'm Meghan. I'm a junior in biomedical engineering, and I'm from the suburbs of Chicago. I was always interested in doing research. I'd always hear professors talk about their own research projects, and I thought it was really cool. And I also had a lot of friends doing research, and one of them specifically was very passionate about the research that she was doing. She talks about it all the time, so I kind of just wanted my own experience that I could relate to with her and talk about my own research instead of just listening to her talk all the time. And my advisor really encouraged me to get involved in research. However, I was a little intimidated by talking to my professors before or after class, so I got an email from the Honors College about an opportunity to do undergraduate research for people who have never done it before, and I thought, this is perfect. So I filled out the application, and in that they had a list of groups who were participating and the majors they were looking for, the skill set they were looking for, and then you got to rank them. And I just thought that this one sounded the coolest, and I didn't know anything about it, but I thought the idea of sensors for health monitoring sounded really cool, and from a biomedical perspective, I thought I could contribute in a positive way, so I ranked that my number one, and I ended up getting it. I think the multidisciplinary aspect of this research has been huge for me because obviously I'm in biomedical engineering, but this research is in the School of Industrial Engineering, and so most of the other undergrads are in industrial engineering. My research mentor has a background in mechanical engineering. Professor Wu has a background in pretty much everything, but mostly material science. So I've really been able to pick up a lot of information and skills that I wouldn't in any of my classes personally. And I've learned a lot of things, such as manufacturing, things that I would never learn otherwise. So I think it's made me a more well-rounded student. I would say find a project you're interested in. I think that's really important because undergrad research takes a lot of time and energy, and if you're not interested in what you're doing, you're not going to want to put time and energy into it. And just talk to your professors, see what research they're doing. Even if you're not interested in theirs, odds are they have a colleague that's doing something you would be interested in, and they could help connect you, because it's really easy to get involved in undergraduate research while it may seem intimidating at first. And I'd also say don't let the fear hold you back. I personally was always afraid that I'd be bad at undergrad research, so I never made that push to get involved in it. But on the very first day, my research mentor, Nachike, he told me, if you put the time into it, there's no way to be bad at undergrad research, because every time you fail, you learn something from it and you just get closer to your goal. So I'd say don't let fear hold you back and just go for it.